Hi, welcome to another box break of 10-11 playoff hockey contenders. It's Iggy Go Leafs Go. Today your owner with the most teams is Parrot Head with some numbers after it. Sorry, I just want to get through this one quickly to give you guys a quick upload. Also, your last auction. Sorry, my cord's a little short here. Finished at 10:52 and 18 seconds for a final value of 805 by 2011 case Snell 1966. Your list of winners. As I mentioned, Parrot Head is the owner with the most teams. Also, thank you everybody for bidding. Alright, should be a fun break today. A lot of cards to go through, but we'll be quick and efficient. It's 11 p.m. Tuesday, August 7th. Bonus cards for Mr. Parrot Head. As listed in the description, Zygmunt Palffy, Shooting Stars, and an LA jersey, but the card is meant for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Okay, and that's the first one. Second one, Fleer Ultra Uniformity, Jason Arnott. Another jersey card. Don't mind that $5 sticker. That was just a spare spacer. Sleeve. This is from 05-06, I believe. Yeah, there was a little stat there that I booked that number. And a UD game jersey of Gilbert Brûlé. Don't mind that sticker. Alright. So, we're going to show you the serial numbers now. As listed, 899499020, 899459997, 899270882. And a little note before we continue, Thursday I will be listing another 3 out of those 5. This is still from that case if anybody is a repeat customer. I know some of you are. Alright, without further ado, let's get breaking. Yeah, so we're looking for the Golden Ticket Redemption card. Yep. Don't know if it's in this case or in this pack or in this box. But that's what we're looking for. And good luck, everybody. Alright, so we got base. Nice. Starting off for the Montreal Canadiens. Lottery winners, Carey Price. Drafted 5th overall. There we go. 2005 NHL entry draft. Carey Price. Our first hit. And we got base and base. Also, thanks everybody for your fast payments that provided this fast video, or fast break. Awards Contenders, Vezina Trophy for the Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. Jimmy Howard, Vezina Trophy. Awards Contenders. Nice. Alright, we got 2 base cards to finish off there. And we got an upside down pack. Base. One of those crappy packs. Also, insurance, if you would like it, $10 to $15 depending on where you live. And base cards are an additional $3.99 for the first team, $1 for every other team. Base. For the Montreal Canadiens, Rookie of the Year Contenders. This is a regular Rookie of the Year's Contenders. P.K. Subban. For les Montréal Canadiens. There we go. P.K. Subban. Nice looking card there. And we got 2 base. Also, if anybody's interested in Zenith, 2010-11 Zenith. Rookie cards of P.K. Subban or Tyler Seguin. That will be next week as I've made the order, and hopefully I can get it by the end of the week, and so that I can provide that break Sunday night. Playoff ticket, Joe Pavelski for the San Jose Sharks. 85 out of 100. 85 out of 100, Joe Pavelski for the San Jose Sharks. Base. We got a thick pack here. Could be a redemption card. Yep. Okay, so let's see. This could be exciting. Space, okay. I have a feeling it's a spacer. Oh, alright, got my hopes up there. Even though I'd be shipping out that gold ticket, it'd still be awesome to pull it, to say that I pulled it. And keep that video forever. Base. And we got our first auto. This is a rookie for the New York Rangers, Evgeny Grachev. Evgeny Grachev. Maybe somebody can say it better than me. Evgeny Grachev for the New York Rangers, rookie on card auto. Card is not numbered. Nice looking card though, and we got our first auto in that. So base. And we got base. And we got base leather larceny for the Buffalo Sabres, Ryan Miller. Love these cards. Feels like leather on the outside or on the front. There you go. Waiting to pull an auto one of those, that'd be nice. And we got base for the Los Angeles Kings, Vezina Trophy Awards contenders, Jonathan Quick. Jonathan B. Quick. Stanley Cup champ. Jonathan Quick. Vezina Trophy Awards contenders. Base. Also for those Canadian buyers, hope you had a nice civic holiday. Base. I think I was up north in Ottawa. I think in Quebec there was not a civic holiday. I'm not sure. Base. And we have another rookie card for the Philadelphia Flyers, Eric Wellwood, on-card auto. On-card auto, left wing, Eric Wellwood for the Philadelphia Flyers. Nice card. Base. And I got base. Draft tandems, our first random. Between Pat LaFontaine of the New York Islanders and Steve Yzerman of the Detroit Red Wings. Let's see if that card is numbered. Yes, it is. 93 out of 100. 93 out of 100. I believe Pat LaFontaine's number, I don't think it was that, no. Alright, so that'll be in the randoms video. Last, let me just check here. Detroit is Macopico cards. New York Islanders is Meriton 20. So that'll be a fun random for both of those guys. Tune into the other link provided in the email for the randoms. Base. Classic ticket for the New Jersey Devils, Joe Nieuwendyk. Center for the New Jersey Devils, Joe Nieuwendyk. And we got base. Also, for those returning customers that know me, for anybody who does not get a hit, if you spent over more than $10, I will provide some form of jersey card to make up for it. And we have a nice rookie for those Leaf fans, including myself, Nazem Kadri. Hopefully he's going to be making the team this year. He's been training with Gary Roberts all summer. So we got an on-card rookie auto of Nazem Kadri for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Nice card. Loving that. Like I said, training with Gary Roberts, and hopefully he comes to camp in shape this time and actually makes a team, because we all know we need a center up there. A center and a goalie. Base. Draft tandems between Big Joe of the Boston Bruins and Patrick Marleau of the San Jose Sharks. That'll be our second random, I believe. Let me just check that over. Boston is NHL Bruins. San Jose is Blue Island Man. That card is not numbered though. Not numbered. Base, base. That's our second random. Like I said, please tune in after. We have a thick pack here. We got base, 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 spacer, base, base. Those are big teasers, man. Got another thick pack. And we got base, base, nice. Nice picture. Legendary Contenders for the St. Louis Blues, Glenn Hall. Glenn Hall for the St. Louis Blues in some pretty retro gear. That's awesome. It's got the Jason X mask there. And we got base, base. For the Chicago Blackhawks, the Great Outdoors, Jonathan Toews. Jonathan Toews. Card is not numbered for the Winter Classic. Great Outdoors. And we got base, 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 base. And we got base, base. Against the Glass for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. Shea Weber, retained by the Nashville Predators after being offered a contract by the Philadelphia Flyers. I think Nashville made a smart decision there, keeping their franchise defenseman. Spacer, base, base. And we got base, base. For the San Jose Sharks, perennial contenders, Big Joe Thornton. Big Joe Thornton. Card is not numbered. Base, base. Finishing off the first box here, guys. Got 2 packs left. And we got base, 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 base. Last pack of the first box. Base, base, rookie for the Calgary Flames. On-card auto. So let me just get that there. Henrik Karlsson for the Calgary Flames. Big tall netminder. Big tall netminder for the Calgary Flames. Rookie auto. Alright. Let's just get these base cards out of the way. Move the hits a little bit further. Alright. Box number 2. Checklist. And we got base, base. For the Edmonton Oilers, the Great Outdoors, Ryan Smith. Ryan Smith. Card is not numbered. That's from the Heritage Classic. Ryan Smith. Base, base. Base, base. Base, base. And we have another Leather Larceny, Ryan Miller for the Buffalo Sabres. Moving along now. Got base, 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 base. Base, 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 base. Okay. 2 in a row, not liking that. Let's keep it going. Base, base. Alright. Classic ticket for the Detroit Red Wings, Paul Coffey. Paul Coffey. One of the guys who convinced Mr. Schultz to sign with the Edmonton Oilers. For those who knows who I am, Wayne Gretzky and Paul Coffey had a little sit down with the young defenseman and convinced him to play for the Edmonton Oilers. And base, base for the Edmonton Oilers. Lottery winners, the 8-point man, Sam Gagner. drafted 6th overall in the Columbus draft of 2007. Let's see if this card is numbered. No, it is not. Or is not. Sam Gagner, the 8-point wonder. Base. And we got base. Draft tandems for the Edmonton Oilers and the Detroit Red Wings. Ryan Smith and Thomas Holmstrom. There we go. So that's another random. Base. For the LA Kings, awards contenders Drew Doughty, James Norris Memorial Trophy, the Norris. Awards contenders. Autofocus. Oh, there you go. Autofocusing is working. Drew Doughty for the LA Kings. Spacer. Base. And we got base. For the New Jersey Devils, rookie on-card auto, Jeff Frazee. Frazee. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Haven't had to read his name yet, and autofocus is not working right now. So nobody can make fun of me for not being able to say his name. Space. And we got base. Rookie of the Year contenders, Matthias Tedemby for the New Jersey Devils. That's a regular Rookie of the Year contenders card. Base. For the Great Outdoors and the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. On-card auto of Mario Lemieux. And that card is numbered 9 out of 25. 9 out of 25. Come on, camera. 9 out of 25. Mario Lemieux. There we go. For the Pittsburgh Penguins. Nice hit there. And we got base against the glass for the Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf against the glass. Card is not numbered. Spacer, base. We got base for the Colorado Avalanche, rookie Kevin Shattenkirk on-card auto for the Colorado Avalanche. Base. And we got base for the Pittsburgh Penguins, James Norris Memorial Trophy awards contenders, Christopher Letang, Stanley Cup game-winning goal scorer, Christopher Letang, for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Base. And we got base. Saw that pack come down all the way. And we have base. Upside down base. Gotta throw a little bit of variety in there, right? Can't just be all one-sided. Base. And for the Detroit Red Wings, awards contenders, green Nicholas Lidstrom. Future Hall of Famer, currently retired, numbered 41 out of 50. So we're getting the veterans today. Very nice. Nicholas Lidstrom, been watching him for a great number of years. It'll be sad not being able to watch you anymore, Nick. Base. And we got base. For the Chicago Blackhawks, perennial contenders, Jonathan Toews. Don't tase me, bro. Jonathan Toews for the Chicago Blackhawks in that beautiful jersey. Base. And we got base for the Chicago Blackhawks, rookie, Jeremy Morin. Jeremy Morin for the Chicago Blackhawks. No. Card is numbered 98 out of 100. Right-handed shot. He should be a pretty good player once he develops in Chicago. He's got a big frame. Could be interesting. Base. Haven't seen him in the NHL too much though. And we have another legendary contenders, Charlie Hodge. Charlie Hodge for the Montreal Canadiens. Charlie Hodge. Base. Okay, we got a big fat juicy spacer in here. And base. Spacer. Base, spacer, base. Oops. And we got base for the Los Angeles Kings, rookie auto, Kyle Clifford. Kyle Clifford for the Los Angeles Kings, rookie autograph, on card auto. Base. Base for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Corbanian Holzer. Rookie on card auto. The Toronto Maple Leafs. Yes, I'm a Leaf fan. Not my great favorite distant player, that's for sure. Sometimes I think the Toronto media hypes up some players a bit more than they should. Luke Shen. I mean, he was good, but Toronto media destroyed Luke Shen. Hopefully they don't do that to Corbinian Halter as well. It's a big frame and we could really use him on the back end. And we got base draft tandems between Vincent Lecavalier for the Tampa Bay Lightning and Simon Gagné for the Philadelphia Flyers. That card is numbered 67 out of 100. 67 out of 100 between Tampa Bay and the Philadelphia Flyers. Base. And base. For the Philadelphia Flyers, the Great Outdoors, Jeff Carter out of the Winter Classic. Jeff Carter for the Philadelphia Flyers. Base. And we got base, spacer, base. Base for the Boston Bruins. We've been waiting for a little bit to get a Boston hit. Classic ticket, Gary Cheevers. Boston Bruins. Classic ticket. Card is not numbered, but finally a hit for Boston. And we got base for the Vancouver Canucks, sticker auto, classic ticket in one of the newer jerseys, Mr. Trevor Linden. Big fan favorite. Very nice man to all the fans that he has. Numbered 3 out of 25, Mr. Trevor Linden. Like I said, big fan favorite. Sticker auto. Base. I know he even signs people's cards sometimes if you really want him to. Base. For the Columbus Blue Jackets and the Atlanta Thrashers, aka Winnipeg Jets, Rick Nash and Kari Lettinen. Draft Tandems 2002. Card is not numbered, but we got another random there. So we're going to have a nice lengthy video for the randoms, that's for sure. And we got base, 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 base. Base, base for the Boston Bruins. Alright, this box is good now. Rookie of the Year contenders, just a regular Rookie of the Year contenders, Tyler Seguin. Tyler Seguin for the Boston Bruins. Tyler Seguin. Oops, base, base. Can't believe I pulled a Linden. That is not easy to do, ladies and gentlemen. Not easy to do. Base, base. And we got base, base. For the Detroit Red Wings, awards contenders, Vezina Trophy awards contenders, Jimmy Howard. Just the regular version. Jimmy Howard for the Vezina Trophy. One day, Jimmy. One day. Damn, you play for Detroit, so it should happen. Base, base. Rookie for the New Jersey Devils, Alexander Vashunov. Alexander Vashunov. Rookie on-card auto. Rookie on-card auto for the New Jersey Devils. Base, base. Base, base for the Atlanta Thrashers, aka Winnipeg Jets. Rookie on card auto, Alexander Burmistrov. Fresh off the plane to Columbus in the Rick Nash deal. Alexander Burmistrov. That this card goes to the Winnipeg Jets. Base, base. And base, base. Against the Glass, Tuomo Ruutu for the Carolina Hurricanes, For the Carolina Hurricanes, Tuomo Ruutu. Against the Glass. Base, base. We got base, base. From the 2009 draft, lottery winners, Evander Kane for the Winnipeg Jets. Evander Kane for the Winnipeg Jets. Base, base. And we got base, base for the St. Louis Blues, rookie. No, not a rookie. Could have sworn he was a rookie that year, but nonetheless, playoff ticket, TJ Oshie. TJ Oshie with nice numbered 33 out of 100. 33 out of 100. And if you'll notice, he's got pink laces. Isn't that something? Base, 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 spacer, base, base. Base, base. Legendary contenders, Richard Brodeur for the Vancouver Canucks in that old school jersey. Richard Brodeur. Can't say I've ever heard of him. Base, base. Sure the Vancouver owner will be able to fill me in on that. Base, 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 base. So once again, while we near the end of the box and the break, if you want your base cards, $3.99 for the first team, $1 for every other team. Insurance $10 to $15. Please let me know after you watch the video, as I plan to ship the next day. Perennial contenders, Drew Doughty for the LA Kings. That is just regular perennial contenders for the LA Kings. Spacer, base, base. Alright. And we got base, base, base. Any goalie for the Colorado Avalanche is always nice. And the up-and-coming one is even nicer. Oh, sorry, that's... He plays for Ottawa now. My bad. That was Varlamov. Leather Larceny, Craig Anderson. Craig Anderson. Leather Art Larceny for the Colorado Avalanche, now a member of the Ottawa Senators. And we got base. And we got base. Oh no, don't end it like this. Come on. Base. Marian Hossa for the Detroit Red Wings. Winter Classic, The Great Outdoors. Marian Hossa. Card is unnumbered. Base. And before we move on to randoms, our last pack of the break. Thanks again for bidding, guys. Hope everybody got something they were looking for, and we finish off nicely. We finish off pretty nicely. For the Boston Bruins, rookie, 6'2", 202 pounds, shoots left, or plays right wing, number 38, Jordan Caron. Rookie on card auto, Jordan Caron for the Boston Bruins. Jordan Caron for the Boston Bruins. Alright, so that does it for the break. Multi-randoms coming up. Thanks again for bidding. And just one little reminder, I will be doing another 3 boxes on Thursday, August the 9th. So I'm looking forward to seeing you again. And thanks again. Bye, guys.